on your teaching or live video platform, make sure you've selected Cam School as your camera and microphone sources. Then launch Cam School from your desktop. On the Cam School app for each item or plugin created, we designed a unique intuitive control panel for you to manage and operate them from your computer to display in your camera frame. For the rewards, the control panel is consistent for all games. In it, at the top, you'll find the title of the game along with the game indicator, which helps you track the progress of the game. You can restart, hide, switch alignments, and even make adjustments to fit your camera's screen. Select as favorite, minimize to keep active, or close your item. Assets in both the Play and Show and Tools tabs may have variations in their control panel. Nevertheless, each control panel is intuitively designed, providing you with a feeling of familiarity. Incorporate cool digital tools into your virtual lessons and classrooms with ease. Don't forget to subscribe or follow and keep up with what we are building. Thanks for watching!